Hello guys, we use smartphone OPPO A98. This version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory. Open box. Look, completion to the device in the black color device. And in completion we have super adapter 67 watt, and Type-C cable. Okay. Device with display 6.7-inch IPS display, Full HD Plus, 120 Hz refresh rate. Open settings, look, Android version, Color OS version 13.1 and Android. We have Android 13. Okay. Look onto the benchmark. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 octa-core processor and Adreno 690 this GPU. Look at our Sunrise. Good speakers we have in the device. Very good camera with microscope. 40x scope we have on this camera, 40x zoom. GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level works very good. And let's see camera. Microscope mode. Interesting mode. Okay. 20x and 40x we have. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera in the simple mode. Photo simple mode. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.